last time you had one steak? Little thing. I need to know, or I will not be your doctor.
How you doing?
Breathing like James Gandolfini over here.
I'm recording,
man. Jackass.
How long have you been married?
We're not.
No.
She's not single, she's just not married.
Are you two together?
Hey, you want to trade boyfriends? Just kidding. Kind of.
Vagina, that's your asshole. That happens about 5 times a day.
Are you sure you don't want to come baby mama? Have fun, guys, seriously. Let's see guys. I don't want to go. I swear to God. I want to see breakfast at the LACMA.
Boobs! Boobs, boobs, boobs! Boobs and bush! Boobs and bush!
Those are good ones. We're like 35 seconds in. You never get opening credit, Bush.
No.
How many doctors are there in your practice? Personal experience, I want to make sure that you're my doctor.
Shamaya,
We have 3 other doctors.
don't pull him by the
But
shirt.
I'm your man, okay? I don't take vacations. I hate Hawaii.
About this.
All right.
Oh my God. Are you serious right now? Wow.
You're relieved.
I am very relieved. I can't imagine meeting any more people.
Do they know?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Notice they call You're pregnant, right?
Eric trying to give him a kiss now.
8 pounds, 9, it's all in your uterus. I haven't told them. Do you think they're gonna be mad? I'm like really checking out about this. Okay, we can hide this. We'll dress you in black and we'll emphasize your boobs. Awesome. And your boobs are gonna be big. And then they're gonna be like scary big. But then they'll go down. And then they'll stay down. Just don't say anything, okay? Please don't. Oh no, I won't. Just tell them. Don't be cool. Everybody loves somebody pregnant. Did you see the sex offender website? These are all the sex offenders in our neighborhood.
Looks like your computer has chicken pox.
Those are sex offenders. These people live in our neighborhood.
Well, skip their houses when we're trick-or-treating. What do you want me to do? Form a posse? Got your 6-shooter on it? Collision rope?
You didn't take